Okay, so what we have here is we're asked to do 32 part. Which part first?
1.
32 part 1, right?
Yeah.
So in 32 part 1, un momento. Sorry guys. Okay guys, so what we have here is basically 2x minus 1 squared minus, now I'm going to put a big bracket around the x minus 1 squared, okay? Now what's in this big bracket here? The number 1 has been multiplied by it. Now once you've done that, you got to multiply out 2x minus 1 by 2x minus 1. Then it's take away bracket x minus 1 bracket x minus 1. Once you've done that, you need to multiply them out. To multiply them out, okay, so we're going to get 2x multiplied by 2x, and that's going to get me 4x squared. Then you have 2x by minus 1 minus 2x. So yes, that's not minus 12x minus 2x. Okay? And then got another minus 2x, and we're going to have a plus 1. Then we're going to multiply in by minus 1 here. Minus 1 multiplied by, once again, x squared minus 1x minus 1x plus 1. Okay, any questions thus far? Happy enough with that? Now, what we can do to save ourselves time in the test is we can come across and see this minus 1 here. Minus 1 means just change the sign of everything else inside there. So let's get rid of it for a second. We'll say that's a minus, it's a plus, that's also a plus, and now that's a minus. Okay? When you multiply in something by minus 1, you change the signs. Okay, so it just multiplied in. Now, what's going to happen next is we have 4x squared, take away x squared, which is 3x squared. Minus 2x minus 2x is minus 4x. Minus 4x plus 2x, anybody? Minus 4x plus 2x is minus 2x. And finally, 1 minus 1, 0. What can we take out of the two of these? It says factorize fully. What do we do now? X into? Hands up if you got that right. Okay, well done. Good work to get that right straight away. It's excellent. Okay, now I'm going to get rid of this, it's recorded, and do the next one. Okay guys, next one we're doing is which one? Are we doing number 2? Okay, number 2. 2x plus a minus 4x minus 2a minus 3y plus a 6y minus 2a. Once again, I'm going to put a big bracket around the outside. Why am I doing that bracket there? To remind myself that I have to multiply in by minus 1. Multiply out 8x squared minus 4ax plus 4ax, and then minus 2a squared, then minus brackets 3y by 6y, 18y squared, 3y by minus 2 minus 6ay plus 6ay, a by minus 2a minus 2a squared. Okay, now going to do next is they cancel. These guys cancel. And then I'm going to get 8x squared. Now see the minus 1 multiplies in to give me minus 18y squared. I'm going to have minus 1 by 2a squared is plus 2a squared. this plus 2a squared cancels with the minus 2a squared. And what do we have left? 8x squared minus 18y. We got to do something with that. What can we do with that, guys? What number can we take out? Any number?
2.
Take out 2. So, when we take out 2, what's going to happen is we're going to get 2 bracket 4x squared minus 9y squared. Now what do we know about 4y and 9y? Or 4 and 9? What can we change that into? Sorry? 2 squared and 2x to be squared and minus 3y to be squared. And it's the difference of 2 squares, which is 2 into 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y. How many people got that done? Okay, well done. Different tree this time. Okay. So, any questions thus far? Now, number 5. Done this way. Now, what does x plus 2 to be cubed mean, lads? What does it mean? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply these two ones first. So I'm going to end up with x plus 2 into x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4, and then it's going to be x plus 2 x squared plus 4x plus 4. You happy enough with that? Now, same deal over here. I haven't finished it off yet though. Now I'm at this stage. What do we do now? Anybody tell me what to do next? Have to multiply it out again. Now I'm probably going to just split it in half. So what we do is 1, 2, 3. X cubed plus 4x squared plus 4x 2x squared plus 8x plus 16. Next one. 1, 2, 3. X cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x. To the bottom, minus 2x squared plus 8x minus 8. Now what am I forgetting about completely? Forgetting all about the minus sign. Minus 1 bracket all of this. Now, what happens next? It's a longer question. I'm going to go in and I'm going to change all the signs. Okay, I'm going to rub that back out again. And then I'm going to go in and change all the signs of everything in here. So look what happens. Minus, plus, minus. Plus, minus, plus. Okay? Now we're going to group the terms. Now grouping the terms means that x cubed minus x cubed, gone. 4x squared plus 2x squared plus another 4x squared plus another 2x squared, 12x squared. 4x plus 8x is 12x. Minus 4x minus 8x, 0. They all cancel each other. And finally, 16 plus 8, 24. Are you happy with that answer? What do I need to fix? What can come out? Huh? 12 into x squared plus 2. Can x squared plus 2 be factorized? No. Alright guys. Okay. What's the next question we got? 34. Express the following in its simplest form. Which ones are we doing? Part 3. And the other ones? Part 3 and the other ones? I was pretty sure it's last to do part 6 and the other ones. Now, for those of you that don't remember, if I have 2/3 minus 4/7, the way I can do this is like this. Red line means multiply 4 by 3. Put the 3 beside the 4. Blue line means multiply the 7 by the 2. And finally, yellow line means multiply 3 by 7. Okay, and what we get here is this. 2 times 7 minus 4 times 3 all over 21. We get 14 minus 12 over 21, and we get 2 over 21. Most of you know how to do that already, correct? Now, there's another way of thinking of it. The other way of thinking of it is like this. You look at all of these and you figure out what's the number that they both divide into first. So you count up in sevens until you find a number that 3 will divide into. It's 21. Once you figure out that's 21, you then change the 7 into 21, and you change, if you multiply a number on the bottom, you must also multiply the same number on top. How do you turn 3 into 21? Multiply 7 on the bottom and 7 on the top, and then what happens? We get 14 over 21 minus 12 over 21, which gives me 2 over 21. You need to be familiar with both methods. You understand? Both methods need to be really, really good straight away. Now, on to the question at hand. 3 and 6. Now, in question 3, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to just bring one up, one across, one down. We're going to get 3 times minus 2 times something all over something minus something. What number goes in here, guys? X plus 4. What number goes in here? X plus 1. Here? And then x plus 4. Multiply out. You don't necessarily have to multiply the bottom either. 3x plus 12 again. Minus 2x minus 2. All over x plus 1, x plus 4. What now, guys? Anything cancel or anything take away? Is 1x, 12 minus 2, 10. Okay, what do you think? Yes, Sam?
Why don't you multiply it by?
You can do if you want. You get the same answer, but you're probably in the back of the book, you don't have to. Okay, you could do. Alright guys, Next one. What about this one here? 34 part 2, anybody? Alan, tell me what to do. Burn.
What the 1 by 2x plus 3.
Yeah.
And the 2x minus 3 by the 1. And then put that over 2x minus 3 bracket 2x plus 3.
Okay. And this is all going to be over what?
2x minus 3, 2x plus 3.
Now what happens?
You multiply, it just goes 2x plus 3 and then minus 2x plus 3 over the same. 2's cancel and you get 6.
Okay. Now, so I've done, was it 32 and 34? Yeah? They weren't exactly,